this is just a video for like people with crimped hair and like how to do their hair with like crimped hair, because you know that gets annoying like crimped hair does. So I'm going to show you two pretty little things. So stay tuned for this video. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Alexis, and I'm going to show you how to do this hair tutorial. It's just putting your bangs in a bobby pin. If you don't have bangs, then you can just use a piece of hair. So all I'm doing is just pinning it back. It takes less than like 5 seconds. Pin it back, and then you get left with a very, very cute hairstyle. Next hairstyle is a side ponytail, a very low side ponytail, and we're going to put a bobby pin in it. So here we go. So I'm just setting it up how I like. So I'll be okay with it, showing you it. So that's what it looks like without it. It doesn't look that good, and then when you put it in, it looks a lot better. So when I put it in, you can also tell it looks a little bit better, and I really like this look. So yeah.